In this video, I want to show you a really cool contact form plugin. So if you are searching for a contact form solution and you want to have something really easy to install, really easy to set up, then you are at the right place. And I will show you everything, which contact form plugin we are using, how you install this plugin, how you set up this plugin, and then we will implement this new contact form into our website. And this is what I want to show you in this video. So hi, my name is Tim. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So yeah, then let's get right into it. And right now I am on a test website of mine. This is on my local computer, so I can show you everything and I can test around. So please don't judge my design here. This is only a test website. So then let's get into it. A quick contact form plugin. Let me show you. When you have the WordPress website, so it doesn't matter if you have an WordPress website made with Elementor or made with Gutenberg or made with Divi page builder or something like this. This doesn't matter, because this contact form plugin works with every page builder, even if you're using Gutenberg or something like this. And yeah, let me show you. So we go now to plugins and then we go to add new plugins. So right now I don't have any contact form plugin installed. And then let me show you, the name of the plugin is WPForms. So we are using WPForms, and it is this plugin here with this cute little teddy bear icon here. And yeah, this is what we want to install. And then here you can see they have 5-star review. It is currently updated 5 days ago, and they have over 6 million active installations, and I think that is really great. Here you can see, if you want, then you can read everything. I will put the link to this plugin in the video description down below, so if you want, then you can read everything about the plugin. But this plugin is really good. I use it on a few websites of mine. It doesn't have that much features. For example, if you're using Contact Form 7 or something like this, it is a little bit more limited. But this doesn't mean that the plugin is not good or something like this. But yeah, it is a little bit more limited. And also this plugin, this version that we want to install right now, is the free version of the plugin. So we are using the free version here. And also this plugin has a paid version. And then in the paid version, you get much more options and much more styling options or more functions. But I think for a simple contact form plugin, I think this is more than enough. And the good thing is that this plugin is really easy to integrate, really easy to set up, and the interface looks really good, and so on. Then let's click on install now here, and then I can show you everything. Of course, this takes a while, but in a few seconds. And now we are ready, or the installation is finished. Then we click on activate, and then the plugin is activated. Okay, now you can find the plugin here in your plugin installation library, and here you can see WPForms Lite. So yeah, like I said, there's also a pro version, but the pro version, I will show you later what you can do with the pro version. And also you will find now you will find the WP widget on the left side, in the black bar on the left side. And here you can see, when you hover with your mouse over it, all forms, add new entries. You can see the statistics, how many people has sent you a contact form or a message via your contact form, and also settings and other tools. analytics, SMTP. You can include SMTP here, but for now, then let's simply click on all forms. And when you install this plugin, then you will automatically get two demo forms here that you can use. So you can see after we installed it, then you will get this newsletter sign up form and also the simple contact form. Or you can add a completely new form. Let me click on add a new form, and then you will have some demo content here or some templates you can use and customize. You can see, simple contact form, a blank form where you can build your contact form from scratch. Newsletter sign up, automobile information form. Okay, party invitation. That's great. And then New Year's party. Great. And if you want to build something from scratch, you can do this. But we want to go. Let me go back, and then we go to simple contact form, and then I will click on edit. And this is the dashboard of the contact form plugin, and here you can see this is these are all the widget we can use, and here you can see these widgets are all locked because these widgets are all for the premium version, and here are some payment stuff that you can use for. You can integrate your Stripe account, and then you can collect money, and PayPal is locked. If you need this, then use this. And also, of course, if you need these functions, then you have to pay for this plugin. But let me show you real quick how you can use this form. So here you can see the simple contact us form. You can edit. So this editor is really easy. It's a little bit like Elementor. So all these widgets are drag and drop. You simply have to, let me grab here this drop down thingy here, and let's put it here. Then you can simply grab it and put it wherever you want. And now you have these drop down thingy here, and when you click on it, then you have all these options. You can for example name this, and here you can name all the choices if you want. And I think you can also use images. I thought you can use images here, modern. Use the style. The files, the field size, you can change the field size. You can see the placeholder text, and you can make it required or not, and then you can add some options here if you want to. And I think this is good. You can play around with it and add everything that you need. And also you can change the order of these fields here. You can move them around and make them required. And also under the advanced tab of each of these fields, you can, for example, give them a CSS class. If you want to change the color, for example, of one of these fields, then you can give this field a special or a new and unique CSS class ID. Then you can change the CSS code and all the good stuff. And it's really simple. You can see name, email, and if you want to have a new form, a new line here for the last name, want to make it first name and then last name, then you can grab another single line, or you can simply duplicate it, and then we make it you can change this to last name, everything you want. Under setup, let me show you. that's not the right, under settings. Yeah, under settings. Here you can see, for example, you have the general settings tab. Here you can change the text and also the submit message. I think here you can change the text of the form. Then here you can implement some anti-spam code. For example, Recaptcha is free because yeah, you have to hook it up with your own Google account, and also Descaptcha, Cloudflare, ASCII-ment, you can connect it. And also here are some pro widgets or pro functions for spam protection. And then you can watch a video how this works, and here are the notifications. Yeah, here you can change the notifications. For example, the receiver, you can change, I think, the receiver address. Send to, here's the receiver, send to. Here you can change the email address of the receiver, or if the admin of the WordPress installation should receive the forms, and the form name, the subject line, and all the good stuff. And yeah, here are so many more things. The confirmation, the thank you message, thank you for contact us. You can change this, of course. And yeah, when you are ready with building your form, I think this is really simple. Then you can go to save, and here you can preview it or you can embed it. And let me go back. When you press the X, then you go back, and you have two ways to implement this form. For example, or the first way to implement this contact form, you can use the shortcode here. You can see this is the shortcode name. Then if you are working with the Gutenberg page builder, for example, and then you can simply select the shortcode widget, put it into your website, and then put in this ID, the complete line here, put it in there, the code, and then the specific contact form will show up. And also, if you are using Elementor, for example, on this website I'm using Elementor. Let me show you when I open the website in Elementor. Let me close this, and then in Elementor I have a special widget for this, WPForms. Let me search for WPForms, and here you can see, and then I can simply grab it and put it somewhere. Can I not put it here? Okay, then let me put it here, for example, and then I can select the form. So here you can see now our two forms, our demo forms, a simple contact form and the newsletter sign up, and then I can select this, and here you can see, here's our form, and then we can click on update. Elementor, I really like Elementor, and now when we refresh the page, this is, I don't know, and there it is. And I think this is the simplest contact form for WordPress or WooCommerce you can use, because the graphical interface is really simple. You can drag and drop everything. Of course, if you want to have more options, more features, more ways to integrate, or stuff like this, then you have the option to pay for the premium version, or you have to go with Contact Form 7. This is a little bit more complicated, and then there you have to code a little bit more yourself. You have to know a little bit about coding, or how this plugin works, how these special snippets or codes are working. But this is for a later video where I will show you this step by step how this works. But I think if you want to build a quick contact form, then you can use this, and everyone is happy. And great. So I think that's it for the video. Then if you like the video, if you found the video informative, then please give the video a thumb up. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And so far then, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.